Oh yeah, these guys just aren't bright.
My head in the way?
No.
Nice guys.
It is. No.
Anybody that straps a motorcycle engine to their crutch. A couple bottles short of a six-pack. The 1,200-pound modified lawn tractors. They'll cut an acre in about 10 minutes. May not be pretty though. The key to these tractors is to keep them straight. They got lots of power, but they gotta keep them straight. There's not a whole lot of steering. The front end usually comes up, so you gotta kind of lean into it, just like when you're back with your brothers riding a skidoo. You had to lean. Lean into the corners. Jacob Shaw is the first puller, had the option to pull again, and he will pull again. Next entry pulling up Jacob Horsnell with the New Holland from Aylesford, Nova Scotia. Again, this class represented by all three provinces, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, and PEI. Jacob's one of the top competitors in this class. And he will not get to pull again. He's got to keep her straight. It's a good pulling tractor. Gotta be nuttier than squirrel turd to drive these things, folks. Couldn't decide which way you want to take her. 275.45 the distance. That's our first distance, the class leader currently. Jacob Horsnell doing the driving with the New Holland. Fine pulling machine. Tractor class sponsored by Matheson Construction and Island Maintenance Supply.
Oh my lord. This is
Next entry, Scott White with the Weed Eater from Hants County, Nova Scotia. The distance to beat 275.4 by the New Holland, driven by Jacob Horsnell. That's a class leader. Last weekend at the Crapo exhibition, we pulled a full day of track activity and included stock lawn tractors. Lots of big stock tractor classes there, along with the modified tractor classes. Green flag down. Look at Paul. Dandy Paul. New class leader, 280.54, moving that sign up 5 feet. Great ball, kept her straight. Nice and easy does it.
Great.
Kensington Agricultural Supplies for the use of their New Holland tractors for the track maintenance.
I gotta zoom
Next
down.
entry,
His head was-
Travis Swinemer
Bring it in
with the Ninja Turtle tractor. Massey Ferguson from Brooklyn,
Bring it in closer. Zoom it in.
Nova Scotia. I hear they're just as tough as the Brooklyn, New York group. You don't mess with Brooklyn. Sam to the sound booth, please, if you got a chance. Sam to the sound booth. Green flag down. That's all she wrote, red flag down.
You're back.
205.65 the distance. Scott White with the Weed Eater tractor, still sitting out front, 280.5. Every year, the last weekend of July is the Crapo Exhibition. The first weekend in August is always the PEI Truck and Tractor Pull Championships. Real easy to remember, folks. Mark it on your calendar for next year. Tell your friends, come on back. Next entry pulling up, Clark Stafford, the 882 Cup Cadet from Summerside, PEI. Green flag down. Clark Stafford doing the driving with the Cub Cadet. Slow and steady is going to win the race for Clark, I think. He's got 2 speeds, slow and stop. He's leaning into her. Oh, Clark, the front's coming up. Get onto her, Clark. That's usually not a good sign. .147.96 the distance. Lost her gear, so we'll get Clark off the track. Good pull. Good young competitor.
I think you're 10 gold.
Glad he came out.
I think so. That's the point. Did you fall in?
Yeah.
Didn't improve your looks, did you? Yeah. Big block ahead right away.
Well, I got it zoomed in too, but yeah.
Yeah, big block ahead right away.
No, not her head, the other head. It's her head right in front of us.
Oh, yeah.
I tried.
It's not right when she moves out of the way.
Oh, well, that's at least one thing though, it's getting a lot more than what last year, and no one thing, it's not straight.
Yeah.
Next entry.
She took it last.
Boyce Curtis doing the driving with the Darlington Shaker, John Deere from Cornwall, PEI. Distance to beat Scott White, 280.5, that's a class leader. And green flag down, John's love Deere. Deere green, that is.
I wonder where they're going to get here. Another one that's going slow. But yep, not revving this bitch up high. Nope.
Didn't quite open up. 107.35 the distance.
But he's got it going. They're coming over. They're both from New Brunswick.
That's not bad.
I got them from the States. So they are supposed to go
second class. 25 after 1. We're on class 2 out of like 18.
Next entry, Jacob Horsnell with the second tractor, the Never Enough 1200 Ford from Aylesford, Nova Scotia.
Thank you.
The mix sound drains a little stronger than you think. So get
Green flag down, Jacob Horsnell. Red flag down. 244.28 the distance for Jacob Horsnell. 245.3. Watching the 1,200-pound modified lawn tractor class. Sponsored by Matheson Construction and Island Maintenance Supply. Great day of pulling here at Crapo for you folks. Lots of good eats in the minor hockey canteen. Ice cold ice cream. And our next entry pulling up. Don't forget to get a souvenir. Kirby Densmore with the Mr. Roper tractor. Pulled real well yesterday. I got the green flag.
got a bridge.
Thank fucking God.
Two entries left in this class. Next entry pulling up, Sam the Man Gillis with Red Line Addiction. 1981 Cub Cadet 682 from Summerside, PEI. And I don't think that's a Kohler in her. They had a great run yesterday. You gotta hold her straight. You can tell they got lots of power, but it's all about the steering and keeping her straight before that box transfers to the top of the drag when it gets real heavy. It's all about momentum. Second last entry in the class, folks. Green flag down. Red flag down. Let's give him a hand. Sam the Man Gillis. 364.45. Great distance. Red Line Addiction. He's happier in a gopher in soft dirt. But that pull, great pull.
I'm glad I didn't cut any of that past that post. Get any past the post.
Let's give him a hand. That's your new class leader. Put on a great show for you. Sam Gillis from Summerside, PEI with Red Line Addiction.
You know what sucks after this is fucking 80,000 stock. God, I hope there's not that many. I don't want to spend another 2 hours on one class.
One entry left. They got the work cut out for them. 364.4 by Sam Gillis. Running away with it.
You know how shitty that is?
Sorry, that's two entries left in the class because the first entry decided to pull again.
Well, he's definitely not going to be 364. Nobody is.
There will be two. This is our second last puller of the class.
Semi over there.
Next entry pulling up, Ferguson Fury, the 1000 Kawasaki from South Maitland, Nova Scotia.
Maybe. Well, I seen one that come in. It had a bucket on it, but it drove over that side. It has a big black. It looks like a big black.
364.4.
Haven one.
And the Ferguson Fury newer. That's all she wrote for the Ferguson Fury.
Oh my
Got a little
God!
twisty.
Holy fuck! They're in the car.
213.76.
Can't really,
Almost went over the white
can't
line.
really work the
Got it
camera while
straightened up.
holding an umbrella.
Try to jam her down the line, but it's too late. That box is coming up way too fast.
Let's just wait for the car to go over here.
empty-headed umbrella. Taking care, maybe got coffee back here.
Yeah, right if the sun's going to be hard again.
This guy fine too, it's hard to see in there now.
One entry left, our first entry. Decided to pull again.
Yeah.
Wow. Now stock. Oh my god.
I can lean it over. That's too bad.
It's alright if there's nobody in front of us.
We're watching the 1,200-pound modified lawn mower class, sponsored by Matheson Construction and Island Maintenance Supply. Putting on a fun show for you. Full weekend of pulling last weekend. Stock lawn tractors and the modified lawn tractors and four-wheel drive trucks off the street.
Yeah, they had a
Fun. So
power
next
pole
year, if you
right
want to see more of this, come to the Crapo exhibition, which is the weekend before the PEI truck and tractor pulls. And our last entry of this class, pulling up. This will be the only class of the modified lawn tractors today.
Yeah, because last year we had like 30, a couple years ago.
Just
we had
giving you
like
a
30
taste of what you missed last weekend. You don't want to miss the Crapo exhibition next year and see more of this. Jacob Shaw with the Redneck Rampage 1200 Suzuki from Meductic, New Brunswick. His first pull, he got 264. Can he do better, folks? Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't.
They usually never do.